welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Rainforest Cafe. Look at this snake. Look at the snake.
Did you see that alligator down here? He's sleeping. That snake look crazy.
What was that? Mommy cabin's here. See? Animals. Dude.
What's the matter? Go ahead. Go ahead. He's not gonna do nothing. Go ahead. Hey, gorilla. It's an ape. Hey, ape. Go ahead. You scared? He's not moving now. Go ahead. He's not moving. Do it while he's not moving.
What if he popped up to here?
Okay, never mind. You're a big baby.
Okay.
Guys, Tyson's scared. He's scared to go by the fake monkey. You want me to count? 3, 2, 1, go! He just looked at you. He wanted to say hi. Go ahead. All right, never mind. Move over. Why you jump down? What you say? Okay. Look, Tyson. It's your pants. Yeah, I see it. Those are big, right? Let's see what's this way.
That one's bigger. Look! There's a thing back there.
What you see?
There's something back there. You see?
Oh yeah, I see it. Come on. Go, bud. See the tree? You see the birds?
There's a pier right there too.
Come on. Tyson, you hear the thunder? The lightning? No, you can't hear lightning, right? You gotta hear like thunder. Is that scary? Were you scared? No.
Oh my God. Here.
What are you doing?
I'm sorry, I'm left-handed.
Yeah, I can't see anything. You block it. Let me see Tyson's tree. Tyson, what tree did you color? Isaiah's arm is in the way. Let's see the tree, Isaiah. Oh, okay. That's cool, Tyson. What did you order for dinner? You forgot?
I ordered pizza,
and what else? French fries.
French fries.
And what are you drinking?
Sprite.
Is it good? Can I have some? You're so silly. Let me see, Tyson. You see your monkey? You're supposed to connect the dots. You start at 1. Where's 1?
You don't even know what that is.
You see number 1? Oh, here's 1. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you go all the way around. 11, 10 to 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You make it. No, you gotta go straight. You go in waves. Look, you go straight. Wait, where's 18? Let me show you. You go straight to the dot. 19, 20. Let me go to 21. Let me show you.
Wait.
Let me go to 21. Alright, your monkey is complete. Now you can color it in.
Hey guys, look at this. I drew it. Now I gotta finish drawing it right here. Little part right here.
That's nice. What's his name?
His name is Mr. Bingo.
Oh, your food look good, Tyson. Daddy got pasta. Ooh, that looks good. Isaiah, what you got? Isaiah has salmon and shrimp. Ooh. Stop hitting.
I'm done. Pizza.
Look, Tyson. Look at the camera. What you see? You missing some French fries. They disappeared. The elephant came and ate your French fries. What in the world? And I think the elephant's name was Isaiah.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Peace out. This is